Why do people experience such excruciating back pain? Have you thought about what may be the root cause of this? Is it because of bad posture? Or because you're not doing proper back stretching exercises? Or maybe it's because you're not going to expensive treatment clinics. Don't be the next hunchback. Here's something that will free you from a lifetime of back pain. The ultimate satisfaction for your back, IsoSpine. Thanks to its ergonomic structure, which was designed to perfectly align with any spine, IsoSpine gently stretches out your back. Its 40 smooth pins properly stimulate the muscles and target the areas between each vertebra. This will help reduce the likelihood of that annoying long-term back stiffness and disc pain. Enjoy the home back traction on the IsoSpine and feel rejuvenated in the same amount of time that it takes to drink a cup of coffee. You can release all of that tension in your back and stimulate blood flow deep into the trigger points with a couple of simple movements. It's time to finally get rid of the stiffness in your muscles and get that feeling of complete satisfaction. Unlike your average foam roller, which won't target deep into the muscles and joints, the pin design of IsoSpine can open up the trigger points deep within your muscles to help them relax. And with our rolling pad, you can take your pain relief to the next level. When mounted on the upper hole, you can focus on the upper back area, which will help strengthen your sternum and the muscles surrounding it. When mounted on the lower hole, you can focus on the lower back area. We recommend this for people who experience a lot of pain in their waist area. IsoSpine is also super compact, which allows you to use it anywhere you want. Don't spend hundreds of dollars on getting an unsatisfying massage. Simply grab your IsoSpine, find a place to lay down, and enjoy the expert-level massage wherever you go. We hope that you're ready to begin your journey towards a healthier lifestyle with the benefits of IsoSpine. You deserve it, so why don't you start now?